Hello, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, so today we're gonna come to do the boxy chore in January and February because I forgot to do February. So the first one gonna be January, so I will do February after. So yeah, so the first book gonna be January box. So you're gonna open what's inside the box, the January box. Yes, the first thing you're gonna have this one. So they're gonna tell you what all you have in the plate below and there. So I'm gonna open. Yep. And the first thing gonna be Too Faced diamond highlight. So I'm gonna open. So you can see, so pretty. So this gonna be the diamond highlight. Look like this. So I'll tell you guys. I will put that into the box. So the diamond highlight for Too Faced is $36 for that one. So the second gonna be the lipstick. I think the lipstick gonna be $21 for the lipstick. Lipsticks or lace gloss? I know. Yeah, I think lace gloss. They look like this one. I'll put this on this one. On my skin so you guys can see the color. The color look white whole. I think there is whole. And then look like this. This is the color. So the next one gonna be this one. This be 107. 107 is 8-hour legs mask. Like you put for sleeping mask, like you put it on the nights, in the morning you rinse off like that. So this one, I think there's the foresight. I think it's foresight but too small. They are so expensive. Yeah, this one. And the fourth one gonna be the skin. This one gonna be $28. That is face wash. Oh, I don't know. I think face wash right there. Yeah, I think might be face wash for this one. So the last one gonna be the daughter brand. I threw the box away so I can see like this. The daughter brand gonna be $55 for this one. This is for you put under your eye like that. So yeah. So that's it for the January box for this last month. And this is for the last month. So we're doing this favorite box of this Japan. So this one is the January box. I had like the small box. Some they had like the really big box because I think I don't have the eyeshadow. I want to have the eyeshadow then like this. So I think they forgot to send me the card like this. I don't see the card, but I will get the plate for you guys after. I will put the plate down below there. So the first one gonna be the cake. Sunburst. Yeah, that's for skincare. Serum. I think they're gonna be serum. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna be serum, but I don't know how much of this, but I will look the price and tell you guys because they don't send me the code like this, so I don't know how much in this one. So yeah, look like this. So open and see. Yeah, this is being syrup. Look like this. Oh, I think they have so much. And that's it for the cake. So the second gonna be this one. This gonna be, I think this is the powder. A really burnt powder, I think. Yeah, this being a powder. It's so cute. Yeah, this is the only powder for set your face. So that's it. So this gonna be the powder. So that's one gonna be the blender. So the spoon. So they have 3 spoons. I think these are $40 or something like that. But I will select the price and tell you guys. So this gonna be the blender. So I don't have the eyeshadow, so I have this one. So I don't want this. I want to try the eyeshadow, but it's okay. So the fourth one gonna be the skincare. I can tell that's the past skincare. I don't know what I can try on my face because I break out so much, but my skin get better now. No, I don't know what I can use this one or no. So yeah, didn't open yet, but there is the part to wipe your face like that. So the last one gonna be this one. I think this for your face again. There's like cream. Yes, you have to cream your face with the white. And this gonna be the white, so I don't know what I'm gonna use it, but I will try. But you guys cannot rent out this one and you guys put into your face and good to go like that. So yeah, that's it for my February boss and January boss. So it's all done. I have all 5 things and nice. So yeah, I will see you guys later, and next month, hopefully like April, I will come to see you guys. So yeah, I will come to see you guys in April because like I will come back for the 2 months again. So I will see you guys next time. That's all for my February box. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.